Hello and welcome. You're watching on Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Protest erupts in Donbosco over Aadhaar-related government benefits loss. Congress nominates Jingjang M. Arak for Gandhi midterm elections. Daniela Mliamngap wins bronze at Asian Kickboxing Championships. And district-level youth exchange program launched in West Khasinews. And now the news in detail. On October 17th, residents of Donbosco in the Mauthatraishan Sirnadi block protested against the government's decision to deny assistance to those without an Aadhaar number. The protesters expressed their deep frustration over losing essential benefits, including ration supplies, scholarships for children, and the 100 days salary scheme, due to their refusal to accept the Aadhaar system. Many protesters believe the Aadhaar number is associated with the number 666, a claim propagated by some religious leaders, leading to their resistance against the system. During the protest, community members voiced their disappointment over the Supreme Court's ruling regarding Aadhaar, questioning why they should be deprived of their rights as citizens. But KP Nonglait, a protester who has lost all government benefits, emphasized the futility of voting without access to assistance. He urged others in the community to consider abstaining from elections until their needs are met, asking, "Why are you still allowed to vote without Aadhaar? Why the schemes are not available?" The protesters called on civil society and political leaders for support to restore their access to vital governmental benefits.
Shillong, bakan yuk kaying duk, biar mawai. Dan amar bakam don wadhar kata kada duno kana ai isu. Te bad yang aru lawan kot kibreu na yang ile tau ya kapung dok jong pi. Te kemut ngalilaj ban tau kapung dok ha mari poi hang tai kila ong ba. Kana kapung jong pi kala biang kajing ha. Wan sobin ikot slash pemerang. Te ngong kekot ayumo don kaman submit. Te ula ong tang kapankat berkeadhar firman submit. Te ngong ngamdon kita berkoi ngamdon. Te yang lalu pimdon kita pimyo isu kenyo kata kaman toju menonton pun ka. Kila lejno. Te ngarang ong tangam don tekebut. Tangam kuai kita berkoi. To. Jadi ki breu ki myo syu kita skim bala kalapau haka les joki la duno Peit kakut badan buram ngatrai kampat penbor lu kena sini kampat penbor ya ki breu ki basyong posted bakin la kemudian Aadhaar kemut kemyo syu iki dan rai manta akan tu mak sarkar kena besar bani ya kena kam balada kataka an kalawan bakala perking bagita ki breu bonbon Aadhaar kemut kidai bantu lut ya ki berkhot nda kalawan nakakut badan buram yo keri India ya kata de ngamla banong ai sarkar re menta kat bakakut kan ai por le sarkar pada ka perking ka hikai ban le gumta nadu ki disi adu ki video de kemut kane kalau bucing yang ni miyai isu tan mar kata akan tu berada kundo pen sur ke jeng khadang pi namar kalong sarkar hi ka kemi ya kejat panreu borok dan le sarkar perkeng kata-kata kayak bat kata aju kayak per kayak jengai berkata jenglong Kristen de kemut kayak yang ni kurban bot juga sarkar habut yang habut ya ka Bible hi namar ki Kristen setiap Kristen ko kitip lot ka berkat te matrai tangkum ta ko ban ya pasat kimut lem hak wi de bat Aadhaar number hak wi de Aadhaar number kemut laslem ha yo snel baki breu pok sinong ki thau ki don ar leng mamala Awai ka kedhun ong wadahar long baba. Awai pat ka kedhun ka ong wadahar udah wasneu, udah siap tu umar klau. Terus pak ndo ponreu. Dan mengipat kum kipajbak kipabit. Yang menang banding konvensional. Input, yanong snap.
Congress President Malik Arjun Kharge has officially nominated Jingjang M. Marak to contest the upcoming midterm elections for the Gambegre ST Assembly constituency in West Garo Hills. The announcement was made on October 17th by K.C. Venugopal, General Secretary of the All India Congress Committee. The midterm elections are scheduled for November 13th, following the recent election of Congress MLA Salang A. Sangma as the new MP for Tura. With this announcement, the Congress joins two other parties in the race, the NPP represented by Dr. Mehtab and the Trinamool Congress represented by Sadhya Rani Sangma, the wife of former MLA Zineth Sangma. Meghalaya's Daniela Milimngap represented India at the Asian Kickboxing Championships in Cambodia from October 6th to 10th, securing a bronze medal for her country on October 16th. Kickboxers from around the globe competed in this prestigious tournament. Upon her return, Daniela was warmly welcomed by the Dorbar Shnong, friends, family and members of the Lom Dorbar kickboxing team. The young athlete, hailing from Lomparing Lom Dorbar, received heartfelt praise and blessings from her community, reflecting the pride of Ribhoi in her achievements. Her success serves as an inspiration for aspiring athletes in the region.
Kumta akan pak TV nama kapag nilang Peit agini kisi Khubor kini sini bila namjol. Kingap agi jingji ki paper. Kumta haga jaga bapin ya kum hakita ki utis ngau bha kiar na kita ki ibro penon kam daga bakilan met ila jong la ka de hakano kono kaliang ro. Bot ya kanuksa ka ba mai I lawan ra hakani ki sinong athaw. Kublei si bor kublei si danyo.
Kakte jong bare gidanya la iwan dam jam bisong sa apa Lomparing Lom Dorbar. Ka jakala ka jong ka de po pajisam jing ka jong ka de po team revolution mix martial arts po ande po 5 begin not my tengali isim ta po Cambodia jong ka Asian game apa minus 52 kg G1 ngayo yo bronze medal nalit participate na po state Meghalaya ngaso komen sikat de mo bangala yo bronze ngam yo ya ugul drepat kajing tmu jong ate ya ugul hi ngamla arapat bangan yo manyai tre chutam shushu bangan yo ya ugul kan yo ya experience shibun bhangai I ki kna la ka ki biang sebapalan mo penyaha combat national ta ai kajing na akaru ka itana sebapalan ngai first time kariga jeng minta jong ka ne ke Asian game kajing e jong ka ya khunda kare tang hau ka po ka simpor ha practice e mo ngam yo than re bangan practice ba e nama ka porong ayo tang sibana steng te so ngai khubleru ya ka government jong ka Meghalaya kala Arab sibon yang abangan ni ya semanta syadu sa Cambodia kala yo CM but ya sports minister nah kwa kan tiu lagi kena mo bakin ya semanta lang ha kano ka sport bakin nonra nam ya kari buat ya kajai bener berapa we ngong ngai khuble ya coach jong revolution kisan bare buat usam.
On October 17th, the District Sports Office DSO of West Khasi Hills, in collaboration with the Eastern West Khasi Hills District authorities, inaugurated a 2-day district-level youth exchange program at Khatsau Pra College, Mairang. Themed, Today's Youth, Tomorrow Leaders, the event aims to empower local youth by providing a platform to showcase their talents in drawing, singing, dancing, and more. J. Thirnyang, SDSEO of Eastern West Khasi Hills District, served as the chief guest alongside the Deputy Director of NEHU Youth Center, NYK Shillong. Participants, including teachers and students, expressed enthusiasm as they engaged in various competitions such as painting, quizzes, and story writing, fostering confidence and public speaking skills among the youth.
Kibang tinggal kita baju ke NYK baru untuk jemput. Pada tahun sedang kerja sisa nak kalian jauh director nak Delhi wa ai ke instruction ini bagi apa yang lelang bahasa Khubor bang empat day bang sedang tak. Tapi ialah efisien program lah bang dari. Jadi saya bilang bagi lah dia hanya. Nak militi Khuborjylla participant dari aset kepala yang dalam sini kesuan atau dalam tonton ini tak dijemput oleh participant. Nomor lapor banyak collaborate nanti club yang berkaitan, but di NSS, but di school and colleges berkaitan pada participant. Nomor tahun kadang kami tak topik kepada kemahiran target saya sembilan. Nasta kadang kami ipuan na bangunan kasih
of school and colleges, all distinguished guests, all invitees, and especially you, the student and you, which come from different schools and colleges. Okay, it is an honor for me to have this privilege to stand here before you today on this occasion of a district-level youth exchange program, which is organized by the District Sport Officer of West Khasi Hills. As we all know, and we all have heard just now, that youth is not just the future, but they are the present.
The Directorate of Information and Public Relations of the Government of Meghalaya has initiated a press tour to highlight various development works across 12 districts running from October 16 to 31st. The tour commenced in East Jaintia Hills, where journalists were welcomed by Nuviana Pasa, District Public Relations Officer, and by E.S. War. During the visit, the media representatives explored two significant projects: the RCC Dam on the Umthning River, funded by the National Agricultural Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD, NABARD, at a cost of Rs 20 lakh, aimed at supplying water for local rice fields, and the Maya-Waki Forest Initiative in Walam Village. FCM Jong Divisional Soil and Water Conservation Officer provided insights into the RCC Dam project, emphasizing its importance for irrigation. The Maya-Waki Afforestation Project, implemented to enhance environmental sustainability, has allocated 5 hectares for tree planting, with plans to introduce 30,000 trees in 1 hectare alone. Additionally, 3 hectares in Bindihati and 2 hectares in Lelat will also be planted.
Kibang tinggal kita baju ke NYK baru untuk jemput. Pada tahun sedang kerja sisa nak kalian jauh director nak Delhi wa ai ke instruction ini bagi apa yang lelang Bahaju Khubor bang mimpat day bang sedang ta. Tabailah adventure program lah bang day day. Dia saya bilang bang panggilan dia hanya. Dia nak militi Khubor di partisipan. Dari saya kepala yang dalam sini dan suan atau dalam bantuan ini saya jemput awal partisipan. Nomor lapor banyak kolaborasi nanti klub di beberapa but the NSS, but the school and colleges di badan kuartal district. Nomor 2000 kadang kami tak topik kebak kemain daftar eksen 9. Nasa kadang kami ipuan na bantuan taksi.
Of school and colleges, all distinguished guests, all invitees, and especially you, the student, and you, which come from different schools and colleges. It is an honor for me to have this privilege to stand here before you today on this occasion of a district-level youth exchange program, which is organized by the district sport officer of West University. As we all know, and we all have heard just now, that youth is not just the future, but they are the present.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.